You know that moment when a friend is scrolling through endless fireplace options, scrolling past videos of crackling logs and thinking, do I really need to spend this much for a piece of decor that also heats my space? I've been there, and I get the hesitation. You want something that looks authentic, that actually puts out warmth on a cold night, and you don't want to end up with a bulky unit that turns your living room into a construction zone. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. So let's break down the Touchstone Sideline Infinity Pro and see whether it's the kind of investment that pays off in real life, or just a fancy showpiece. First off, the biggest question people ask about any built-in electric fireplace is the installation. The Infinity Pro is a 3-sided, 50-inch unit designed to sit in a corner or as a wall-mounted focal point. It's not a plug-and-play freestanding model you can toss on a rug. You'll need to cut an opening that matches the dimensions, run a dedicated 120-volt line, and secure the unit to the studs. The manufacturer stresses measure twice, buy once, which is solid advice if the opening is even a couple of inches off. You'll be staring at trim gaps or needing custom framing. For a homeowner who's comfortable with a DIY remodel or plans to hire a contractor, that's a manageable project. For renters or anyone who can't commit to altering the wall, it's a clear red flag. The built-in nature gives it a sleek, integrated look that freestanding units just can't match, but the trade-off is that you're committing to a permanent fixture. Assuming the installation hurdle is cleared, the day-to-day experience is where the Infinity Pro starts to differentiate itself. The unit packs a 500-watt heater that drops down to 750 watts when you enable the thermostat mode. In practice, that means you can set a comfortable 70°F for the whole room and let the fireplace maintain it without you having to keep an eye on the controls. I've seen it used in a 400-square-foot living room during a March freeze. The thermostat kicked in, the heat rose quickly, and the room stayed cozy while the family watched a movie. The downlighting, 13 colors ranging from soft amber to cool blue, acts like a built-in mood lamp. One user I read about set the downlight to a deep indigo while having a dinner party, and the flame color stayed a gentle orange, creating a restaurant-like ambience without any extra lamps on the table. The realistic flame claim is worth dissecting. The Infinity Pro offers 6 flame colors and a built-in crackle sound that you can toggle on or off. The flame isn't a static LED panel. It uses a combination of LED strips and a fan-driven mist to simulate the movement of real fire. In a side-by-side test with a traditional wood fireplace video, the difference is subtle but noticeable. The LED version lacks the occasional flicker of a true ember, but the overall effect feels convincing enough that kids will still gather around it, pretending it's a campfire. The crackle sound, while not as deep as a real log fire, adds that auditory cue that makes the whole setup feel more authentic. If you're the type who cringes at overly loud artificial sounds, the volume control lets you keep it at a background hum, or you can mute it completely if you prefer silence while working from home. Now, the smart features. This model is Wi-Fi enabled and integrates with Alexa. Through the Touchstone app, you can change flame colors, adjust the downlight hue, set heating schedules, and even turn the unit on or off from your phone. In real-world use, that's handy if you're on your way home from work and want the room warm before you walk in the door. One homeowner set a welcome home routine. As soon as the front door sensor triggers, Alexa tells the fireplace to fire up to 1,500 watts and switches the flame to a warm amber, making the entryway feel immediately inviting. The app does have a slight learning curve. Some users report a brief delay when switching colors over a weak Wi-Fi network, but for most households with a decent router, it's smooth enough that you'll hardly notice the latency. Who should buy the Infinity Pro? If you're a homeowner with a medium to large open-plan space, you like the idea of a modern focal point that doubles as a heater, and you're comfortable with a built-in installation, this unit hits a sweet spot. It's particularly appealing for people who already have a smart home ecosystem, because the voice control and scheduling features become part of the daily routine. Families with children often appreciate the visual and auditory element, and the heating function can replace a